Welcome guys to this class. Welcome students. So today we are actually basically going to be dealing with the equations of a straight line, and we're going to deal with equation of a straight line the way it appears in KCSE, which is a 10-mark question, and this one is one of the free marks questions that you need to have it by your fingertips. You need to understand its way about. Hence, I need you to join me. We actually tackle this one down. So, and I've highlighted the basic formats or ways in which they need the answers. One of them can be you have to give your answer in terms of y is equals to mx plus c, which is actually the normal one mostly. But you can also be asked to give your answer in the form of ax plus by is equals to c, and in some other cases you can be asked to give in form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. All these are just simple ways you have just to work out with them. It's just these major equation that has been actually manipulated, and we will come up to figure out that later. Now, equation of a straight line. Now, in terms of a line, we have like the way I've actually drawn these. This is the y-axis, and this is the x-axis, whereby it protrudes up to that way, and this one goes up to horizontally, and this one is vertically. And actually it's actually highlighted that way. In order to give coordinates, tunaanzanga na x, then we go to y. This is x, then y. That is how we give coordinates. Let's say a point lies maybe here, and we call it hapa ni 5 na hapa ni 0, as we know. So the coordinate for this, we call it a, this point. Now it's we start with x. It's 5, 0. That is x, that's y. So that's how we give coordinates. Now, in this equation, we have mainly actually 3 parts. The first part is for the straight line, this one line. Now, another question that will come is based on the parallel lines. A parallel line is actually a line that is parallel to this line. This line is parallel to this. What qualifies a line to be parallel to another is whereby the gradient of one line is equal to the other. If you have this gradient for this one, it is actually, if this line is parallel to this, they have the same gradient, and we will see that way. That's how we calculate that. Another way, these are also can be parallel line that way also. These are